Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about this is Friday, so we're going to talk about the end of the week and what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency and in particular Bitcoin. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to show the chart for Bitcoin and what do I see? What is it that the chart is telling us? All right, so if we look at the screen over here, we can see that Bitcoin is clearly in an uptrend, but right now it's not able to make new highs, but it's actually consolidating. And what we want to see is there any pattern that we see over here that may take us to the upside, or is it going to take us to the downside? Well, Bitcoin is in two different patterns, and let's take a look at it. In the smaller time frame, we can see that it is in a triangle formation. This is what we see on the micro details of the chart right now. But on the longer term, we actually taken a look at it here. It is on an ascending channel or triangle. So let's take a look at it here. This is a clear channel over here where the price is bouncing, and we should expect it to keep bouncing and move to the upside. Now, do we have any correlation? Does it have any indication that is actually going to break to the upside? Well, let's take a look at it over here and compare with Ethereum. What has Ethereum done in the past that actually show a very interesting pattern? What I'm talking about here is an ascending triangle. This is what an ascending triangle is. And if we're looking at in the bull market, which is what we see right now on Bitcoin, it is an uptrend. It is very likely that it's going to break to the upside. Now, if we compare to Ethereum, we can see here that it formed the same exact pattern in the past here, right? Take a look at it, and Ethereum has broken on the upside in the past. Now let's look at, this is the daily chart of Ethereum. If we take a look at on the 4-hour chart, we can see a little bit more clear that Bitcoin has the same pattern formation and is very likely to do the same thing. Like, if you take a look at here, this is what Ethereum was doing before it broke to the upside. It was flip-flopping here up and down on this channel, and then it broke to the upside. Okay, now if we take a look at this other triangle formation here, this is an example of gold way back in the days where we saw this ascending triangle and it broke to the upside. So there is a very likely chance here that Bitcoin is also going to break to the upside. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that some of these patterns are exactly the same. All right, take a look at it. This is a channel where it's bouncing over here, and a smaller time frame, we can see here that it is very likely that this is gonna break to the upside. And what we're looking at here for the end of the week is there's two things that will take Bitcoin to new highs, and that is the stimulus package has this been released. There is money being flowed into the economy, and US is printing tons of money. So there's likely a chance that we're going to see Bitcoin consolidate and break to the upside as there is more money coming in into cryptocurrency, and in particular Bitcoin. So this is the market update for this week, the week of March 19. Thank you for watching, and give us that like button.